Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Proctored. Today I will solve some more questions regarding the course Introduction to Machine Learning. I already uploaded some videos where I discuss some concepts and some questions. You can watch it. Okay. If you still not watch it, then go to my description. I will provide the link of the previous videos. So please watch those videos first, then come. So the first question of today's session is on your screen. Entropy for a 90-10 split between two classes is, the options are 0.469, 0.195, 0.204, and none of the above. Okay. So before doing these questions, we have to remember one equations. Okay. And this is a three-star equations you can think, because after you know this equation, then you can solve at least two questions in your final exam. Okay. The formula for binary entropy, which is minus p log 2 to the base p minus 1 minus p into log 2 to the base 1 minus p. Okay. What is p? P is 90 by 100 here. Okay. Because total element is 100 and it is splitted in 90 to 10. So 90 by 100 is the value of my p. Now, if we put this value in place of p in the equation, then we will get 0.4689. Okay, which is approximately equal to 0.469. Okay, so option A will be our answers for this first question. Okay, so this is the next question. It is same question, so please pause my video and try to solve these questions. After that I will solve this. Okay, in this case, what is the value of p? 50-50 is the split ratio, so 50 by 100 is the value of p, and the equation will be same. Okay, just the value of the p changed from the previous question. Now here the value is 0.5. So if we put this value in this equation, then we will get 1. Okay, so the answer will be option C for this question. Now coming to the next question. Consider a data set with only one attribute categorical. Suppose there are 8 unordered values. Okay, unordered values in this attribute. So how many possible combinations are needed to find the best split point for building the decision tree classifier? So these are my options. Okay. Now we have to remember that if we have q number of unordered values, then the total possible splits would be a equal to 2 to the power q minus 1 minus 1. Now here in this question, what is the value of q? Here q is 8. Because the number of unordered values given in this attribute is 8. So if we put the value 8 here, so we will get the value of a equal to 2 to the power 8 minus 1 equal to 2 to the power 7 minus 1 is equal to 127. So option D will be my answers of this question. Okay. Now coming to the next question. This is a large question if you see, but after I solve this question, you will know that this is one of the most easiest question in this session. Okay. Before solving these questions, if you are getting some help from my videos, then please do subscribe, because I am not earning any money from YouTube, but I am doing this video so that you all can pass the exam and can get the certificate. So if you can subscribe, then I will think that my videos are helping you in some way. Okay. So please do subscribe. Now, the average of left branch outputs, like in this question, what is written? There are 3 training data points with the following outputs is 5, 7 and 9.6, and it is for the left branch. So we can calculate the average of left branch outputs, that is this 5 plus 7 plus 9.6, and as there are 3 training data points, so by this we can calculate the average of the left branch outputs, which is also known as response left. So 7.2 is my response left. Now response right in the same way. How many outputs are there? There are 4 outputs. So we have to calculate the average of these 4 outputs. So we will get 10. Okay. Now response left and response right comes out. Now what is left? Response new. Now what is response new? Response new will be 7.2 into total number of outputs here in these questions are 7, because in the left branch there are 3 outputs, in the right branch there are 4 outputs. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So as this is the response left. So we will multiply 3 by 7 here. And as it is the response right, so we will multiply 4 by 7 here. So after that, we will get 8.8. Okay. So option B will be the answers for this question. Okay. Now coming to the next question. The value of information gain in the following decision tree. This is my decision tree. Okay. Where these are my options. Okay. I already said that this is the root node and these two are my leaf node. Now, information gain equation is this. What is this? The entropy of S. S means root node here. Okay. This is the root node. Okay. Now minus summation of SB by S. Now what is the SB? SB is the total number of examples in this leaf node. Okay. Now S is the total number of examples in the root node. Okay. Now if we put the values, then we will get what is the entropy of the root node, that is 0.996. So there is 0.996. Now 17 by 30 because SB by S. SB for this leaf node is 17 and S for this leaf node is 30. So 17 by 30 into 0.787, that is the entropy of this leaf node, plus 13 by 30 into 0.391, which is the entropy for this leaf node. Okay. So after that, after the calculation, we will get 0.380. Okay, so this is the answers of this question. Okay, now next question. Consider a data set with only one attribute. Suppose there are q unordered values. Okay, how many possible combinations are needed to find the best split point for building the decision tree classifier? You know the answers. So option D will be the answer. Okay, because we already get one question where we solve using this 2 to the power q minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now, consider the following data set. Considering a profitable as the binary values attribute, we are trying to predict which of the following attributes would you select as the root in the decision tree with multi-way split using the cross entropy impurity measures. Okay. Now, this is my table where they give the value of price, maintenance, capacity, airbag. So, these are the attributes. Okay. Now, how we can get the impurity measure, entropy impurity measure. Okay, we can use this equation which we already used in our previous questions. Okay, this is the equations of entropy. Now cross entropy of price. Okay, in case of price, you see there are low value and medium value and high value. Low price are there, so 4 low price are there. Okay, out of 11, if you calculate the total low, medium and high number, then you will get 11. So 4 by 11 is the value of P for this price attributes. Okay. Now, after calculating, we will get 0.9777. Okay. Now, for the maintenance, if we take this low value, that means there are 1, 2 low value. So 2 by 11 will be the value of my P. So after calculation, we will get the cross entropy for maintenance 0.8050 and cross entropy for capacity in the same way. If this is 2 here, there are 3 2. Okay, so 3 by 11 is our P. Now in the same way we can get 0.7959, and for the cross entropy of the price, sorry, for the airbags, if we get, then here if we consider no, then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 by 11 is the value of my P. So after calculation, we will get 9868. Okay, now here said that which is more profitable. Okay, so as the cross entropy value of the capacity is 0.7959, which is less than all the other values, so this will be my answer. Okay, capacity, option C. Now in the next question, what is the initial entropy of malignant? Okay, they give this table. So malignant is the name of a tumor, you know. And these are my options for these questions. Okay. Now, again, they ask entropy. So we know the equation of entropy, that is Hp equal to minus P log 2 to the base P minus 1 minus P. We know the equation. Now here the P value is 5 by 12. Why 5 by 12? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. And the total number of element is 12. Okay. So 5 by 12 will be the value of my P. So if we calculate this, we will get 0.9798. So option B will be my answer. So if you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.